your dexamethasone suppression test. Okay, familiar ba kayo sa dexamethasone? If in case lang, no? Okay, sa mga hindi familiar sa dexamethasone, dexamethasone is a medication used to treat inflammation. So it is an anti-inflammatory drug, okay, and it is used, okay, to treat certain conditions, no? And what we do here sa dexamethasone suppression test is we wanna check and analyze the blood sample for serum cortisol. Bakit serum cortisol ang chine-check natin dito? Because your cortisol is one of the hormones, okay, that is utilized when a patient is or when we are under stress, no? So, gusto natin malaman yung response ng mga hormones natin when it comes to stress that affects our psychological condition. So, anong ginagawa natin dito? We administer dexamethasone and we get a blood sample para i-check yung cortisol, serum cortisol levels.